Yo guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I'm at Pudding Mill Lane 21. You got the police here because of West Ham football match. So yeah, I'm not too sure what we're going to be doing. So we're going to get some quits at Pudding Mill, and then we're going to hit the streets, go to the city, and then when we get to the city, ride. So I'm not too sure yet. I'll catch you guys when we are either getting clips or riding. Oh my days, I'm scared. I'm gonna get off. Really? Rapid, yeah. Whoa! Go to Canary Wharf.
Okay.
Where's Canary Wharf, Ryan?
It's in central London.
No, it's not.
You're a 10-year-old. It's where men do business, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like us,
yeah.
businessmen. Yes.
Come on.
See, we get money on the daily, that's what.
Yeah.
See, we get...
We are at Canary Wharf now, because we're riding around Canary Wharf. And then, yeah, I'm not too sure what we're doing. Riding around Canary Wharf. Get an edit or something, I'm not too sure. So yeah, slap the GoPro on my head right now. Oh, there's stairs. Ride down them, ride down them. Yo, it's slow. The pen is taking pics. Hey, why am I stopping?
Yes? Yes? Lovely. Oh, carry on. Might as well carry on. Oh!
I'll break this one.
Okay. Ah.
Car park that Jake and that came to, and someone's calling me. Hello? Louis, we're in Canary Wharf. Jamie, Spencer, Leo, Ryan.
A couple of people. I'm back in that. So let's say Canary Wharf a bit and I'm gonna come back soon. Huh? So now we'll come in like 3 minutes.
That's a long drop down.
Boom!
Alright, Peter, Jake's a jump. Might as well, to be honest. Oh. Wow. Let's go. Yeah, let's get a boomerang for the Instagram. Oh, it's only a boomerang. Around the ting ting. Next pole. Reserves of space. Whoa. Guys, do you guys want to see an episode of just me going out by myself, exploring the city of London, of the city, no, city of London. Yes, that's how it goes. And I might do one, to be honest, very, very soon. Stay tuned. Whoa. Round the pole. Round the pole. I come two man.
Oh wait, hold on, let me get off my bike.
Yes, Ryan. grab onto his shoulders. It's like a normal pole. There you go. Oh, I smacked Ryan a bit there. Oh, my music's not playing. That's gonna annoy me. It's just gonna be silent. Oh, it's Louis. Louis? Yo. We're coming back now. Huh? Yeah. We're coming back now anyway, so I'm not wheeling down with this. Alright, see ya.
It's a hundred jet it's so bumpy. Yeah, thanks, son. Oh shit! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bumps! Lads, let's get it! Oh my days! Oh, it's windy! Oh! We are out and it's raining. Can see, oh, not through that. Woo! And yeah, I think I'm gonna go get some food and then probably do a little ride. Oh, there's glass there. I might have to go to British, you know. Car. It is just unreal. I'm always worrying about getting punctures. Oh, dead end. Fakey. Whoa. Fakey out of that, John. Warmish. Ah. look, they think they're smart. I just got in. Oh. Active. I am worming, huh? Differently. %100% worming. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.